Welcome back, guys, to Speaker Now. I'm your boy Taylor DJ. So today I'm going to do what they call it, a getting to know me take. So stick with me. I'm gonna tell you my story. Stay tuned. I was planning to do this when we reach 300 subscribers, but anyway, let's do it now. Why must wait? So, guys, so my full name is Tembinkosi Mchunu. I'm from Escort, South Africa, of course. Yeah, I'm a South African YouTuber, so I'm coming from a radio background, so that's why I'm always relating to music, talking about celebs, what they are doing. So that is our life. So, guys, I think you have seen my videos. I'm always highlighting about music, promoting upcoming artists. So that is my story. But besides this, guys, I'm also doing a Bachelor of Education. So I'm going to be an accounting teacher. Guys, I'm passionate about numbers and I believe I'm good in accounting. So I think in next I think 3 years from now, I'm going to be in schools full time. So, guys, I'm going to be a qualified teacher. So the music stuff is just a hobby, guys. My profession is education, but I'm very passionate about radio and music, guys. Since I was young, I'm always listening to radio and stuff. So this is my first love, but we know we have to pay bills, guys. We have to get some proper jobs like education, because there's a high unemployment rate, especially after the coronavirus is bad, guys. So we have to do some courses that we're gonna get some proper jobs. So this is my story. Taylor DJ. What else can I say, guys? Okay. So what about this, guys? I was getting back to my music. So I'm also I used to cut this one. So I'm also a father to a 2 years old daughter. So, guys, yes. And there's also my personal page on YouTube. You can check it out. It's Go Nkosi. So I'm gonna put a link below, so you can go to my personal page where I'm always uploading concerts, because I'm always attending the shows and I can't break with the content. I put it there on my page. So I'm gonna put my page there, guys. You can go there. There's a video. I think it was uploaded in 2016 or 2017, because I think the show it was on October 2016. It's Nasty C performing at Durban. I think the title of that video is Nasty C performing at his hometown. So, guys, go and check that video out, because Nasty C now he is signed under Def Jam. So Def Jam International. So, guys, but when I did this, he was still under Imabala No. So, guys, go to that video. I think now we got more than 60K. So I'm gonna put that link below, guys. So that is my story. Get to know me, tech, guys. I'm the boy Taylor DJ, but my full name is Tembinkosi Sabemchunu. So I think you know me now. On Twitter, guys, you can follow me as Go_Nkosi. I'm gonna put a link there. So that is my personal Twitter account, because I'm always putting the Twitter account of this page, guys. So Speaker Now is the name of this page, guys. This is not my name. It's just like a name of a radio show. So stop calling me Mr. Speaker Now, Mr. Now, or C Speaker. Speaker Now in our language means we are speaking with you. So Speaker Now, speaker is that's a radio speaker, but in our language it's like Speaker Now, we are speaking with you. So that's what I'm saying. That's why we're always seeing so many people on my page. Sometimes I'm not even a host, because this is not about me. It's all about you, guys. We're just speaking to you. We're sharing good stories, sharing good memories. We are all about this, guys. So follow Speaker Now. We are there on Twitter. It's Speaker Now. Facebook, Speaker Now. Instagram, we are everywhere, guys. So show some love, guys. And I think right now we're sitting on 260 subs, so that is big, guys. Siyabonga kakhulu. Thank you so much, guys. So what else can I say? Oh, guys, Salamat. So I just learned a new language. I think this is one of the native language in Philippines. So when they are saying thank you, they say Salamat. I hope I'm saying it right. So guys, you can correct me, because I think I have maybe 30% of my subs, they are coming from that country. So shout out to everyone from Philippines, guys. We appreciate it. We see you. We know we are always talking Zulu. This is KwaZulu Natal, guys. We are always talking Zulu, but we are always showing love. So shout out to everyone, guys. Keep watching the show. We're gonna come with more content. I'm your boy Taylor DJ. I'm out.
Another hits jam from whiteloaded.com.